In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Photos without a backup. We will walk through every place that might still hold your missing pictures and help you confirm what is actually gone and what can still be saved. First, check if the photos were actually backed up. Open the Google Photos app on your phone. You should land on the main photo grid with your images in rows by date. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. That opens an account panel showing your name, email, and storage information. From here, tap Photo Settings, then tap Backup. On this screen, you will see a main backup switch at the top, plus details like backup status and upload quality. Make sure backup is turned on, that you are signed in to the correct Google account, and that the backup status says something like Backup Complete or shows a recent completed time. If you see a different account here than the one you usually use, switch to the right one and check again. Once that is done, move on to the trash, which is often the best hope. Open Google Photos again if you closed it. At the bottom, tap Collections. This shows different sections such as Albums, Favorites, and Trash. Tap Trash. The trash screen has a warning at the top explaining how long items stay there, and below that you will see any deleted photos or videos. If you find your missing photos here, touch and hold one, then select any others you want to bring back. After selecting them, tap Restore at the bottom. You will see a brief message confirming they were restored, and they will reappear in your main photo grid in the original date position. Remember, items stay here for about 60 days if they were backed up, and about 30 days or sometimes less if they were not backed up, depending on your device and Android version. Next up, check your phone internal storage in case the photos were never uploaded. Open your phone built-in gallery or Photos app, the one that shows local pictures. On the Albums or Library tab, look for a recently deleted or trash album. Open it and scroll through to see if your missing photos are still there, and use the Restore option inside that app if you find them. After that, open your Files app, look in the main storage area, then open the DCIM folder, and inside that the Camera folder. Also check any Pictures folder you see. These folders are where most camera apps store original image files, so if the photos still exist locally, you will see image thumbnails or file names here. With that ready, think about any other cloud services you might use. If you sometimes save photos elsewhere, open apps like Google Drive, iCloud Photos, OneDrive, Dropbox, or Samsung Cloud on supported Samsung devices. Browse their photos or backup sections and search by date or album name. Many people discover the images were auto-uploaded to one of these services instead of Google Photos. At this point, you need to know the hard limit. If the photos were never backed up anywhere, were deleted from your device, and are no longer in your device trash or Google Photos trash, Google generally cannot recover them, and they are treated as permanently deleted. You have now checked Google Photos, your device storage, and other clouds to recover everything that still exists. If this walkthrough helped you figure out what you could recover, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Google Photos guides.